Hey guys, welcome back to this Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Iconic Airdrop. So let us go to www.thisairdrops.com and click on Iconic Airdrop. So Iconic Airdrop is $5.45 worth of IQQ to each airdrop participants. To participate, sign up, join the Telegram group and also invite your friends and earn 65.43 for each wallet referral. So guys, there are 4 very easy steps to complete the registration procedure. And yes, what is Iconic? I can see a lot of sports people here, so let's know a little about the Iconic project. So Iconic love the sport and entertainment industry. Our team is proud to work on the project which will bring fans and idols closer to each other. We want to reward fans for the engagement and provide them the best experience on one single platform. So Iconic has created a platform that rewards the fans for their loyalty. Fans will enjoy from all the participants fantastic deals and amazing prizes from the ideals and clubs and all the partners on Iconic. So all you have to do is be the fan of yours and support, interact with your idol. So guys, if you want to know more about the project, let's go here. Let's do the registration first. So sign up at Iconic website and verify your email address. Click here to sign up at Iconic website. So probably you will be seeing more about the Iconic here. No, this has taken to the Iconic contest page. Alright. Now give your first name and then what did it say here? Yeah, give your first name and your last name and your email address as well as ETH wallet address. So my ETH wallet address is this. Alright, simply copy and paste it here. Now click on sign up button. Okay, I need to put the ticks in both the boxes and now click on sign up button. Alright. So guys, now I will be receiving an email for the verification. So you can see here very clearly, check your email for further details and instructions to unlock the referrals. Alright, so guys, let me go back to my mail and verify and come back to you. So guys, you can see here I have successfully verified my email address. And then step number 2, join the Telegram group and submit your details to this page. Click here to join the Telegram group of Iconic Airdrop. Click on open in web. Now click join button here to join the Iconic group. Alright. So this is the Iconic group, guys. Yes, I have joined. And then submit your details to this page. Click here to join this to submit your details in this page. So enter your Telegram username. So my Telegram username is this. I'm seeing the caps here. Okay. And then the email address. Now click on I agree and click sign up now here. Alright. So guys, you can see here I have done that. Other step 2. Step number 3, you can invite your friends to earn 65.43 for each wallet referral. Step number 4, check rules and country restrictions from this page. So click here to check the country restrictions from this page, guys. So this is the official viral campaign rules. You can see here about the background and the scope of the rules of the contest and the eligibility. The viral campaign is not open to the legal residents in the following countries. So all these countries residents are not coming under this campaign, guys. So please take the agreement rules and also the campaign duration too. So let me copy this one for my reference. Alright, how to enter. So all these things is given here and you can see 5 referrals will get IQQ tokens equivalent worth of €10 and 20 referrals IQQ tokens equivalent to worth of €60 and 50 referrals to tickets to watch a sports event, and they have a grand prizes to earn the winner notification. Looks this is a very interesting project, guys. So don't miss to do the airdrop program. Alright, so well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for Iconic airdrop. If you like the Iconic airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.